Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you some of the scenic views and the natural waterways of central Arkansas. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh yeah, and right up here we have a waterfall. I don't know what its name is. I thought about calling it some things, but I thought they'd just tick everybody off. Well, that's pretty neat. Definitely have some water sound, rushing water. It's just a sheet of running water all over the driveway. And this is my fancy little thing. This in here, it goes back up to the really flooded walkway. Completely underwater. It's very deep. We put these little things over here so we don't have to step in it. But this whole place right here is a depression right there in the front, and the whole yard's just saturated. This is the Angel. You can still see the whiteness. It looked like a ghost of her. I thought I was going to get to make a video of the ghost of the snow angel, but no. This is my yard. This is my yard. And it's just flooding in from the back. That's my room over there.